Yeah, hi everyone. So let's create a website in just 10 minutes using WordPress. So with WordPress, we can create static websites to e-commerce sites, but most of the 80% of the sites we use in the WordPress are static websites, which we can create using just a theme, simple theme we can use and just import the theme and we can customize as per our requirements. So I'll show you how can we create a website. So here is my website, my portfolio website. You can check. So this is a navigation bar. We call it as this is a header. This is my photo and my certifications. Here, here is a button where you can download the CV, the portfolio, the company's data which I have worked for, and the basic text description about myself. Then the skills. These are all images or icons we can use. And here are certifications and the skill sets with this small description here. Then the testimonials we can add. So to customize this website in other language or using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or PHP or any other language, it will take a long time. It at least like take 15 days to create this type of functionalities like testimonial or this type of functionalities. It will take a longer time. So this form is very good, right? So to create this form, it will take 1 day to code, but when you use the WordPress, it is very time consuming and we can deliver the data to the customers. We can deliver the websites within few hours, right? So within 1 day, we can deliver the website. So here is the photo. Then I'll show the dashboard, how the WordPress dashboard looks like. So here is the basic WordPress dashboard will look like. There is no data. So I already removed all the data in the WordPress. So now we'll have the dashboard, post or blogs. We can use it for the blogs and the media. All the images will store in the media. Then pages, we can create all the pages like about me, contact us page, all the home page. All the pages will be created in this section. The comments, when people comment about our blogs, anything, we can check the blog, the comments here, the people comments, and appearance, which means here we can upload, add the themes, we can do the customization part here itself. Then the plugins, which comes under what are the plugins? Plugins are nothing but so if you need any specific functionality, you need a plugins. For example, if you need a form, then you need a plugin. We can create a forms plugins. We can add and we can just plugin is nothing but a functionality. Then we can use the form. If you want to list your social media post and you want to integrate your Instagram to the website, you need a plugin. For payment gateway, you need a plugin. For the text editor, you need a plugin. We mostly use the element of the text editor, so we also install those plugins. Then users, here we can give the permissions like this is my website, so I'm the administrator. I can add some team like I'm the business owner. I can't handle the website, right? So I won't have the time. So I'll add the user. I'll add the web developer or the digital marketing person. So they'll do their work. And the tools, settings, the WordPress general settings, how the URL links look like, everything here. So then first thing we need to get the theme. Have already downloaded the theme. So here we no need to download the theme again. Okay, if you want to get a new theme, so we have many platforms like Theme Forest or Element or Envanto Elements, Envanto. There are more platforms out there. You can search their platforms. They'll charge some amount like 500, $50, 20, 10 to $50 around. You'll get a good plugins. So I already downloaded few themes since I work with so many companies, right? So here is a let's create a theme for hospital. It's a med place. So we use this theme for hospitals mostly. First, when you download the theme, what you need to do is like you need to unzip the file. Very careful. We'll use this one. First, we need to extract all the files. When I unzip this theme, so here are the files I get. So this is the theme file, this is the child file, the backup file. They have the licensing, everything. So let's test how this works. Okay, themes, add new theme, upload theme, choose file. So we'll upload this zip file. Okay, this is the same theme file. It is installed successfully. Then we'll activate the theme. After activating the theme, it will ask for to install the plugins which theme requirements based on theme requirement because page build on something, right? So based on that, theme will have some specifications. We'll install everything. Here you can check all the plugins are installed successfully. Then we'll activate all the plugins. We'll go to the same installer, pick all the things, all the plugins, and activate the plugins. All the plugins are installed correctly, right? Then we'll reload this. So after installing the all plugins, so then we will go to the import demo data plugin and we'll check what the specific plugin we want. So here we have the three demo data. So based on this, we can check which is looking good. Let's check the preview of the one of the demo pages. So here how our website will look like. So this is a demo page. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. So let's activate this. Let's import this demo data. Demo data is nothing but the that so it just a skeleton website will be there. Then we need to remove all the data from this demo data, the content, all the content, images, icons, everything. Then we will replace as per the client requirement, their logo, their content. I'll show you how can we like change all the content, all the data here. So it will take like couple of minutes. I'll pause. I'll get back to you within like after the complete importing process. Theme is successfully imported. Then we'll check the site if the site is working or not. So we have imported the complete theme file here. Let's check. See, it is working, right? It is working. So you can check the URL here. So when you go to the URL, we can check the complete demo data. Then what we'll do, we'll go to the Elementor. There we will change the text, the logo, the images, everything you mentioned. I'll just give the small introduction. So how we can do. We'll go to the pages, all the pages. Then we can check across. See, it is a home page. The home page it will have like front page, Elementor. If you want to change the content part, most of the like 80% of the themes use Elementor. Few uses uh, other page builders like Gutenberg, mm, WordPress also have its own page builder, and Divi is one of the popular like 10% use Divi. So like that, based on the theme functionality, they prefer few different type of page builders. Here's the home page. Here also we can directly click on the home page, edit with Elementor because since we already logged into WordPress dashboard, it will have give the option in the same browser window. You can check how the Elementor is loading. It is a logo of the Elementor. It is still loading. Here is the Elementor. You can check the Elementor is open and website page is also open in the Elementor. Here you need to check, click on this section. Wo- WordPress pages are completely divided into sections in the Elementor. So we need to create the sections, or we can click on the section. Then you can change the data here. So see, here is a container. Here are the additional options which we have. Hero content. You can check. See, the content is, we can able to change the content, right? Then you need to update. Okay. Here's the form, the background image, search bar. So we can change these things. Click on this section, edit container, open the container here. Here we have a number of options, right? So based on the theme, every theme has different options. Like this advanced tab won't be available in some themes, some plugins. Then if client wants some options like this, we need to install the plugins. So that's what I'm saying. If you want any specific option, specific functionality, we need to use the plugins. Okay. Research the plugins based on the keywords like advanced tab or form, anything like Instagram integration onto WordPress plugins like that. You need to search and you need to get the data. Based on that, you can install the plugins. So this is the search tab. When you click on this, it will keep on changing. For example, analytics is there. You click on analytics. Okay, you can change the icon here. We can change the data because this data is already there somewhere in the WordPress dashboard. We need to check the services which we have. These are our services. So we can change those services in the WordPress. Okay. Then you can check this specific container. It has some forms, etc. Title and descriptions are there. Recover from Google penalties with SEO. We can use something. We have the SEO FAQs tab, frequently asked questions. So you can add some other into and WordPress website. Okay, here we just copy this one and place this one. Some 100, 100. Listen, this theme is very good, very user friendly, but most of the themes are very complicated. When you want to change something, they very complicated. They make very complicated. And here we have the case study slider. Let's see whether if we have this option. Like yes, sometimes what happens when you want to add sliders, this kind of sliders, we won't be able to create it on the Elementor. The slider plugins will be there. We need to edit those in the plugins itself. Then when we edit in the plugin, it will give some ID. Then we can select the ID here itself. We can create the HTML and we can add the ID here itself. Okay. Here are the icons. We have, you can add the icons. So anything. So adding data won't be a big issue if client wants specific functionality, it might take some time because plugins will be there, but we need to add the brand color based on the client requirement. You can have the different view as per the client requirement, right? So most of the clients won't ask for the more requirements. We in the initial stage only we'll send these themes to the clients. If they select few themes, based on that, we'll if it is free, we'll download. If it is paid one, we can just ask him to send the amount and then ask him to pay. Then you can download the theme and then you can install. That's not an issue. Then once client finalize the theme, the options will be like he already know the options which theme has, right? So it won't take that much time. So here's the website. Very simple to create using WordPress. Right? Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll come with other topics. How can we create e-commerce website using WordPress? And then we'll also come up with Shopify, other CMS platforms. Also, if you have doubts into SEO, Google Ads, anything, just drop in the comments. I'll answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Please support me. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.